Astrocamp, and today we're going to be doing a sun-sensitive paper experiment. So what you've been given in your box is one piece of sun-sensitive paper. It's blue on one side, it's white on the other. Make sure you leave it out of the sun while you're doing your initial setup. If it's in the sun, it'll already change color and mess up your experiment. So try to keep it outside the sun. The other things you're going to need is something sturdy to hold it on. I'm using a piece of cardboard. And a tub of water or something big enough to hold your paper for the end. So you're also going to want to find one or more pieces of something that you want an outline of. So I chose one of the stencils. You guys have one of those too if you wanted to try it. We also like things like leaves, scissors, anything that makes a cool shape. If they're flat, they usually work better. I'm also using a key and a hex nut for this. So I'm going to start by placing it on my flat surface, placing my pieces on it where I want the sun to change color. And then we're going to take this outside. Hold it flat, make sure it stays in the spot you want it. Alrighty, so once you've made it outside, you're going to want to leave your paper in full sunlight on a flat surface like the cement. Don't move your pieces. If you move them, you'll have a weird shape. So you want to leave them in full sunlight. If it's cloudy, you're going to want to leave them outside for longer. In sunlight, maybe 2-3 minutes, 4 or 5 for cloudy days. And we're going to leave it and see if it changes color. You notice the paper starts to turn sort of white. It's supposed to turn a white color. Don't move your pieces though to check underneath. We'll do that after. Alright, now that our pieces have been outside for a few minutes, we're going to take it inside and see what kind of shapes we made. Now that we're back inside, we're going to take our objects off of them. As you can see, the different layers of objects kind of gave a different color to each of them. Now we're going to set it in the water. Kind of soak it for about a minute and let it turn back. What we're doing here is setting the picture, so it'll stay and the sun won't change it again. All right, it's been about a minute. We're going to take it out, find somewhere to hang it dry, like this. So what happened with the water is it kind of cleaned off the excess chemical that is sun sensitive, and that's the blue stuff is the sun sensitive chemical that is coating the paper. So when the sun changes its color and you put it in the water, then it rubs off that extra chemical so it can't change back at the end. So send us pictures of your awesome little shapes and put it in a frame and show us what you made.